Good morning, students. Today we will start chapter 5, exponents. You have already studied about integers, rational numbers and their properties. In this chapter we will also use rational numbers and integers. Now first see, exponents are shortcuts for multiplication. It means the word exponent indicates how many times a number is being multiplied by itself. Listen one more time. The word exponent indicates how many times a number is being multiplied by itself. For example, see here, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 is here multiplied 4 times. It means we can write down it as 3 raised to power 4. In second example, 2 into 2 into 2. Here 2 is multiplied 3 times. That's why here we can write down it as 2 raised to power 3. We can read it as 2 raised to power 3 and here 3 raised to power 4. These both the numbers are different. You cannot take it as 34 or 23. It is 2 raised to power 3 and this one 3 raised to power 4. Similarly, third example, 7 into 7, 7 raised to power 2. Next example, 5 into 5 into 5 equal to 5 raised to power 3. Now see here, in all the examples, all these numbers are different. And what about the 3 and what about 4? How we can differentiate between these two numbers? Now see, base, the number which is repeatedly multiplied is called base. Now here see what is base. Here 3 is a base because 3 is multiplied by itself 4 times. So 3 is a base and 4 is here exponent. What is exponent? The number of times it is repeated is called the exponent or index or power. If the given number is 4 times repeated, the given number is base and the power. Power जो आपके पास जो number repeat हो रहा है, how many times it is repeated? 3 is repeated. For example, 4 times. So 4 is here power and 3 is here base. And power we can also power को हम इंडेक्स और एक्सपोनेंट के फॉर्म में भी हम इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है, सी वन एग्जाम्पल, राइट द बेस एंड एक्सपोनेंट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 4 raised to power 3. What is base and what is exponent here? Here base is 4 and exponent is 3. Similarly, another example, for example 12 raised to power minus 4. See in this example, base is 12 and exponent is minus 4. Next we will discuss laws of exponent. Here are 7 laws of exponent. Open your book page number 49. Laws of exponent. First आपके पास law है, law 1. If x is a non-zero rational number and a and b are positive integers, then x raised to power a into x raised to power b equal to x raised to power a plus b. See here, first law, law 1, x raised to power a into x raised to power b. Here x is a rational number and a and b both are positive integers. We can write down it as x raised to power a plus b. Since here bases are same, x here represent base and a and b represents here power. If the bases are same, then we can take the addition of power a plus b. For example, 5 raised to power 4 into 5 raised to power 3. 5 raised to power 4 plus 3. It means 5 raised to power 7. and that is in case of only multiplication. See here, if there is a multiplication between the two numbers and their bases are same, power may be different, पावर डिफरेंट हो सकती है आपकी. फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल हमने लिया है 5⁴ इंटू 5⁻3. हेयर मेन आपका फंडामेंटल ऑपरेशन क्या है, यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन है. 5 and 5 बोथ द बेसिस आर सेम, तो पावर आपकी ऐड हो गई है. 5⁴ प्लस 3 इट मीन्स 5⁻7. दैट इज़ योर आंसर. In case you have a negative exponent, for example in the second one, 2⁻³ into 2⁻, for example -4. इंटीजर्स तो नेगेटिव भी हो सकते हैं आपके पास, तो इस केस में आपके पास नेगेटिव इंटीजर हैं, बट सेम हेयर बेसिस आर सेम, तो पावर आपकी क्या हो जाएंगी, ऐड हो जाएंगी, और मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो रही है इन बोथ द नंबर्स 3 + -4. बिकॉज हेयर आर टू साइंस, तो हम यहाँ ब्रैकेट लगाएंगे. इन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप 2⁻³ ओपन द ब्रैकेट +-- and that is equal to 2⁻⁻1. Your answer is 2⁻⁻1. You can make the power positive by taking the reciprocal, that is equal to 1/2. Now the second law of exponent, law 2 है आपका आपकी बुक में, पेज नंबर, आप अपनी बुक में पेज नंबर 49 पे आप चेक कर सकते हैं. सेकेंड लॉ ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट, इफ x is again a non-zero rational number and a and b are positive integers, then x⁻a and x⁻b, and there is a division between the numbers, that is applicable when a is greater than b. It means a की वैल्यू आपके पास ग्रेटर होनी चाहिए b से, x⁻a-b. If bases are same, then the powers are subtracted in the division. In case of division, if the bases are same, powers के आपस में क्या हो जाएगी, सब्ट्रैक्शन हो जाएगी. तो फर्स्ट जो आपने नंबर लिखा है a में से आपने b को माइनस करना है when a is greater than b. In case b is greater than a, तो आपके पास पावर क्या आएगी, नेगेटिव आ जाएगी. In that case you can take the reciprocal. Now see the example. 7⁴ divided by 7⁻². Here again see both the bases are same. सेम आपका रूल ये फॉलो होगा. लॉ ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट नंबर 2 लॉ है आपका इन केस ऑफ डिवीज़न. ना आपके पास डिवीज़न हो रही है तो पावर आपस में सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएंगे. 7⁻⁴ -2. हेयर सी हेयर a इज़ ग्रेटर देन b. 7⁻². आप इसको फर्दर ओपन करके सॉल्व सिंप्लीफाई करना चाहें आप, फर्दर इसको सिंप्लीफाई करके 49 आपका आंसर आ गया. दैट इज़ योर लॉ नंबर 2. नेक्स्ट आपका लॉ है लॉ 3. इन लॉ 3, इफ x इज़ ए नॉन ज़ीरो रैशनल नंबर and a is a negative integer, then you can take the reciprocal. If x is a non-zero rational number and power is negative, in that case you can take the reciprocal. Already आपको मैं बता चुकी हूँ. For example 2⁻⁻3, we can make the exponent positive by taking its reciprocal, or you can solve it further. Open the power, 1/2 into 2 into 2, that is equal to 8. 1/8 is your answer. नेक्स्ट आपका लॉ है लॉ नंबर 4 आपकी बुक में. इफ x इज़ ए नॉन ज़ीरो रैशनल नंबर and a and b are positive integers, then x⁻, now see here law 4, if x is a non-zero rational number and power a and further one more power b, here are two exponents, in that case we can multiply both the exponent. a आपके पास b से क्या हो जाएगा, मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा when we open the bracket. For example 5⁻² 2 and one more power is there 3. When we open the bracket 2 3s are 6. एक्सपोनेंट को आपने क्या करना है, एक्सपोनेंट से मल्टीप्लाई कर देना, 5 raised to power 6. दैट इज़ योर आंसर. इन केस देर इज़ अ नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट, फॉर एग्जाम्पल सेम मैंने एग्जाम्पल ले लिया आपका 5 raised to power 2 and here is power -3. that is a negative integer. In that case same you have to open the bracket. 2 3s are 6, 5 raised to power -6. If you want to make it positive then take the reciprocal. It becomes 1 upon 5 raised to power 6 just to make the exponent positive. नेक्स्ट आपका लॉ है कि बुक में पेज नंबर है, नेक्स्ट आपका लॉ 5 है. इफ़ x इज़ ए नॉन ज़ीरो रैशनल नंबर एंड x raised to power 0, law 5, if any rational number have a power 0 that is always equal to 1. For example 12 raised to power 0 that is equal to 1. 8 raised to power 0 that is also equal to 1. If any rational number have a power 0 that is always equal to 1. Remember that. Next आपका लॉ है लॉ नंबर 6. If x is a non-zero rational number then x raised to power 1 equal to x. If any number have a power 1 that is always equal to x, that's very easy. If 2 raised to power 1 that is equal to 2, 5 raised to power 1 equal to 5. Or if any number simply here is written 2, it means that have a power 1. नेक्स्ट आपका लॉ नंबर 7. According to that law, if x and y any non-zero rational numbers and a is a positive integer, then x and y, now see here both the bases are different and powers are same. In that case we multiply the base and power will remain same. Here x and y both are base and exponent x and y both bases are different and powers are same. In that case multiply the bases and write down the power as such. Example 2 raised to power 3 and 4 raised to power 3. 2 4s are, we can multiply 2 into 4 and write down the power as such 3. 3 आपके पास रहेगा. You cannot here add the power according to first law because here bases are different. You can add only the exponents if the bases are same. Here bases are different, that's why here you cannot add the exponent. Simply you multiply the bases. 2 को आप 4 से multiply कर लेंगे. 2 4s are 8, 8 raised to power 3, 3 will remain as such. You can open it further if you want to open it. That is your law number 7. Law of exponent same is applicable, that is in case of multiplication. In case of division, x raised to power a divided by y raised to power a equal to x upon y whole raised to power a. Here one more example for division you can take. For example 4 raised to power 3 divided by 2 raised to power 3. We can write down it as 4 upon 2 whole raised to power 3. कहीं फर्दर डिवाइड हो रहा है तो आप इसको डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. 2 2s are 4 that is equal to 2 raised to power 3. One more example, suppose here the number is 5 raised to power 2 divided by 2 raised to power 2. We can write down it as 5 upon 2 whole raised to power 2. If you want to open it, आप इसको ओपन कर सकते हैं. It means 5 into 5, 2 into 2, that is equal to 25 by 4. That's all for today. Next we will do exercise 5.1. If you have any queries related to the law of exponent, we will discuss it in Google Meet. Thank you.